Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys know that a strong indicator of good health is your glowing skin, and these face masks have been growing in popularity over the years. So today I am going to be sharing my two most favorite homemade face packs with you guys. I hope you like the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh yeah, my hairs are looking too messy. Sorry about that. I have just washed them. So just ignore it. Okay, let's get started. Bye. This skin brightening face pack has 3 powerful ingredients to hydrate, brighten and lighten your skin. To prepare for this face pack, you need to place the ripe banana in a small bowl and mash it with the fork until you have a lump-free paste. Then mix in the honey and lemon juice and combine all the ingredients thoroughly. I love using this face pack when my face feels dry and dehydrated. It moisturizes my skin without making it oily. You need to wash your face before applying this pack, then apply it with a brush or you can use your hands. Apply a thick layer again and keep it for 30 minutes so that it can soak in. After 15 minutes, wash your face with warm water and do not use soap or face wash. I am telling you guys, you will be amazed with your glowing and radiant skin. To prepare the second face pack, the procedure is very simple. You just need to start by melting the coconut oil in a bowl. Add 1 spoonful of coffee in it. Mix both the ingredients and make a paste. Now it's ready to apply it on your face. If you guys don't know that coconut oil and coffee has antioxidants that protect your skin from harmful free radicals. Also, they boost collagen production and make your skin glow. Now after applying this face pack, you need to gently massage it with fingers in a circular motion for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, do not press too hard on your skin and massage it slowly in circular motion. After massaging your face for 15 minutes, now you need to rest your face for 20 more minutes and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. After applying these packs, I use rose water as a toner. As I have sensitive skin type, so it helps in reducing any redness from my face. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.